Each of us human beings is a cookie palace. There are several cookies that we are made of. One cookie is the food we eat. The food we eat becomes our body. Another cookie is thoughts we think and beliefs we harness. Remember to cultivate self empowering beliefs and remove the weeds of self limiting ones. The next cookie is the emotions we feel. If we feel happy and loved, it has an altogether different effect on our system than when we feel self pity or bitterness. There are a whole lot of sciences dedicated to blossoming the positive scale emotions and minimizing the negative scale emotions. The positive scale emotions consist of love, joy, happiness, playfulness, and wonder, while the negative scale emotions consist of jealousy, gossip, comparison, resentment, hatred, and the like. Cookies are meant to be sweet after all, aren't they? So, do we humans are meant for being sweet and cute and wondrous. Beyond our thoughts and emotions, what matters the most is the material of which the cookies of our cookie palace are made of. The duff of consciousness needs to be kneaded properly, and the sugar of sweetness needs to be added in appropriate amounts. Add the nuts of spiritual knowledge and sprinkle the choco chips of liveliness. Bake the cookies neither too hot nor too cold. Cookie after cookie, we are born as cookie palaces, so fragile yet so beautiful, so sophisticated. Through this cookie palace, we churn memories and create new experiences. Our experiences reflect back to us the parts of our unconscious that want to come to our attention, giving us a rebirth every moment, every now and then. Through our cookie palace, we explore the world, and sweeter cookies are we build, the sweeter we discover the life to be. If we cultivate bitterness, our life experiences turn out to be bitter too. These cookie palaces wander around the round world, collecting memories and connecting with other cookie palaces. Each one of us has our own cookie palace. If you simply take a moment to just observe the human life, you will notice how funny, wobbly, and weird are we. We move around the world searching for something, discovering something, searching something else. We keep on moving and interacting and acting in ways that is more interesting than the most interesting movie characters. A grand drama is going on in which we crazy little cookie palaces play our own strange characters. We become fearful, we become joyful, we become sad, and we become ecstatic. And so the life goes on. During all this activity, the excitement happens when we step away from our own cookie palace and look at ourselves as the dove that connects all the teeny weeny and giant cookie palaces: a butterfly, a tree, a cow, an apple, a table, and all of it. I am a cookie palace, but this cookie palace keeps on changing, shaping, and reshaping. So I can also say that I am the duff of which the cookie palace is made of. I am the duff of which all the cookies are made of, and all the cookies reflect back to me the taste of the duff. Thoughts are cookies and duff is consciousness. I am the power of life which transforms duff into cookies. I am a cookie palace, I am the cookie, I am the duff, and I am the hand which converts duff into cookies and cookies into cookie palace. So, ending with love from one cookie palace to the other. Thank you.